Next, in Java, we are going to do abstract method and abstract class. So here in this package, I'm creating one class. This is our main class, and so this is our main class, and this is our package name. Now here I'm creating one class, and name of that class is demo. And within this class, I'm creating one instance variable, that is a. Along with this, I'm creating one method whose return type is void, and name of that method is add, and this method is taking two integer parameters, integer a and we have already given a, so here I'm taking integer x and integer y, and here we have to add x and y, and value will go to a. So a equals to x plus y, and this method has return type of void, so we have to print it here, system.out.println, and here we can give message addition is equals to, and addition is in variable a. Next, here within same class I'm creating one more method, and I don't want to give definition to that method in same class. So return type is int, name is sub, and here this method will be taking two integer arguments. I'm saying here integer a1 and integer a2. We don't want to give definition to this method in this class, so this method must be declared abstract. As this class is having this abstract method, so this class must be declared as abstract. So any class which is having abstract method must be declared abstract. Now this class is having this abstract method, so any child class which is inheriting this class must define this abstract method. If we are not defining this abstract method in that child class, then that child class also be declared as abstract. So here I'm creating one more class, class demo1 extends demo, and right now in this class I'm defining this abstract method. So for that, here I'm saying integer, name of that method is sub, and we have to pass two integer arguments in it, integer x and integer y. And here we are giving its definition. Its return type is int, so we have to collect value in some variable. So integer s equals to x minus y, and here we have to return this s to main method. So return s, save, and here within this main method we have to create object. Now we cannot create object of this abstract class. So we need to create object of this demo1 class, which is not abstract and is defining the sub method. So demo1, d1 is the name of object, equals to new demo1. Here we have created object d1. Now here we can say d1 dot, first we can call that add method, add, and here within this we have to pass arguments. So for x I'm passing 2, and for y I'm giving 7. Second, we have to call that sub method. So d1 dot sub, and here we have to pass arguments. So for x I'm passing 7, and for y I'm passing 6, and that method is of type int, so we have to collect result in some integer type of variable. So integer, here I'm saying r1 is the name of variable which will be collecting subtraction of x and y, that is 7 and 6, and after that we have to print that variable, system.out.println, and here I'm saying within double quote subtraction is equals to R1. Save and run. So it has given addition is equals to 9 and subtraction is equals to 1. So abstract methods are opposite of final method. We cannot override final method, but abstract methods are needed to be overridden in its child class. If that particular child class is not overriding that abstract method, then that child class must be declared as abstract. Second thing is that a class having abstract method must be declared abstract. We cannot create object of abstract class, and abstract methods are needed to be defined in child class. If we are not defining that abstract method in that particular child class, then that child class will become abstract class.